important stock, Unity Software. Unity Software, as you know, they have a partnership with the tech giant Microsoft for and Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. So, is this the right time to get in the trade? Let's see together. And this is if you want to see my strategy, what I'm doing with uh, Unity. So I will go here. This is my Discord channel. Link below, just below the YouTube video. And I hope this is the strategy you will see here, and how you will read the strategy. We'll study together. In this class, we are discussing about Unity chart analysis only for educational and information purpose only. So if you will see in the reversal entries for a price action, Unity 34.35 and 38 breakout, and deep is $30 and $32. Now go back to the chart, how we find these numbers, very interesting. So I go with the parallel channel. I will teach you how we make a parallel channel. So this is the lowest point in is April 2025. I hope you remember. And this is, start from there, keep going, and I see it touching here. So it touched here. Let me remove this. This is 50 EMA, and this is 9 EMA. I will remove this line here because I want to make it trading simple. So simple it. I will go here a little bit, make it more. It's not 100% accurate, but 90% accurate. So this was here my parallel channel. Now, how would I know when is the good time to get in the trade according to price action? First, you see, can you tell me this is a trend, uptrend or downtrend? Here, the price in April is around $15. Price in July 2025 is $23, and price in October $34. So 15, 25, 34. Trend is uptrend. Uptrend doesn't make you that your trade will be profitable just only jumping in uptrend trade. For example, somebody enter here in Unity in, for example, in August, right? So August, or somebody enter in maybe in July, you're still in a loss, and you will be see, oh wow, my trade is negative, right? And because I am in positive, let me turn on my camera as well for you. Just give me a second. Sorry guys for the here you go. Sorry about that. So you will see the price here action very clearly, and then trend is uptrend. But the precise entry, this is the way I teach my students in a class how we make a precise entry, because precise entry, whether trend is uptrend or downtrend, precise entry make the trade profitable. How? Because I know when the price come to this line, one, go up, come here, up. And now finally, after waiting since I'm waiting for the June, I finally got my entry clear here in October. So if you guys see, I'm looking this chart from June and July, and keep patience. Patience is a key to get success. I didn't buy in a June or July. I get in a trade in a different trade, because we are not doing a trading because we like the stock or like the company. We are here to make learning and make our portfolio grow. Portfolio can be grow only if we make a right entry. This is your show, Trade with the Harp from San Francisco. Help you to learn the chart as a pro and make you precise entries that possibly make the trade profitable. And my first entry is here. Second, why? If you will turn on EMA, price right now is 100 EMA daily chart. So whole trading for the swings is a daily chart. And look at the weekly chart, trend is uptrend, I hope you see that's idea. So logo back here, and now I turn off this one and show you my swing strategy for yeah 34 RSI over 40 MACD crossover confirmations breakdown, and this is I targets to achieve according to price action from 1 to 3 month. So I will sit, hold, get my entry. Most likely I'll buy one call option here at $34, and then I will, if the price dip more, I'll buy second call option here, and then I'm done for next 6 months. I'll buy 6 month expiry, and I expecting the result within 6 months, like a 3 to 4 month. So easy. I will do here, put my orders, and then I will not look this stock every day. I'll come back in November and December and check the chart that time. This is I do with my own portfolio. You can take your own decision, whatever you like to do according to your own plan. This is my plan, and I hope explain everything. If also I get some shares too, I will buy like a 25 approximately shares here, and 25 here, and 25 over here. And according to your portfolio, you can also change to 10, 5, 1. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. This is only for informations only. And similarly, on the way up, I will sell 10. If I will, according to my 25 sell here and 25 here. And I will sell one call option here, one call option over here. So log my profit, also keep some to trailing in uptrend. So this is about all in Unity software. If you're still here, please like and subscribe to the channel, and it will help our backend team. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. God bless you.